Recently, we also received the OPPO Find X9S Pro. The version we got has 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage in the titanium color. Let's unbox it first and take a look at the accessories. Inside, there's a silicone phone case. It has the same feel as the factory case that comes with the Find X9 Pro. Underneath is the phone itself. Let's take it out and set it aside for now. At the very bottom, there's a charging cable, the familiar smiley face SIM ejector tool, and an 80-watt fast charging brick. Let's take a look at the phone. This titanium color is my first time getting my hands on a phone in this color. However, this color really grows on. In different lighting conditions, it reveals a faint hint of purple, adding a touch of vibrancy to its hardcore high-tech vibe. It looks very premium. It doesn't feel heavy or unbalanced in the hand. The camera module uses a seamless cold carving process to raise the camera deco, ensuring there are no sharp edges. The frosted texture on the back panel feels very smooth and warm. It's skin-friendly and completely fingerprint resistant. The black bezels on the front screen also look very narrow, measuring only 1.1 millimeters. Since it's a dark color scheme, the overall visual experience on the front is quite seamless. The operating system has also received a major revamp, which is definitely something to look forward to. Let me briefly talk about the lock screen. They've added a new lock screen island. Previously, when playing music, it looked like this. Now there's an additional capsule with a dynamic glassy texture at the very bottom. A light tap expands it into a lock screen controller and progress bar, simultaneously displaying the album art and scrolling lyrics. If you tap the lyrics display in the top right corner, you can view the lyrics immersively. The effect is quite similar to Apple Music on the iPhone. If you prefer the old layout, simply tap the screen once to return you to the standard notification interface. Navigation apps are also supported by this lock screen island, allowing you to see your current location and route directly. If you feel like you have too many notifications cluttering the screen, just pull down like this and all your notifications will be neatly tucked away into the lock screen island. You can swipe left or right to switch between them, ensuring they never block your cute wallpaper again. The overall UI design is beautiful, elegant, and runs incredibly smooth. I honestly didn't expect it, but the camera system on the Find X9S Pro is truly pro. Both the main camera and the telephoto feature 200 megapixel large sensor lenses. There's also an ultra wide-angle lens and a second-generation color restoration lens. It's amazing that they managed to pack so many flagship specs into such a compact body. As for a more detailed hands-on experience with the Find X9S Pro, we'll talk more about it once the phone is officially launched.